What's going on, YouTube? Charles, come back here today with a video. Today we're going to go through my series where I do my personal economy. This is going to be day 3. It's my personal economy series. My personal economy series that I'm doing. This is day 3, and pretty much today I'm just going to go right to it. I'm going to go ahead and log into the where is it? To the members area that I subscribe to. Just showing right now my horrible credit score, which is score 92. And refresh and see if we get a change. Let's see if we go up, see if we go down, see if it's getting better, see if it's getting worse. One day I logged in and it went up 1 point. So it might say, okay, well, looks like I got another point. Did I get another point? Okay. Looks like I got one more point. Like every day I'm getting a point or something. I don't know why, but they give me 1 point at a time. I'll take it. Congratulations, your credit score is increased by 1 point. View your smart credit report. Okay, I'm 493. Making some progress. Guess I'm doing something right. Guess some progress is better than no progress. Let me go back through. If I go back through this again, as you can see, I have 19 negative items, 19 inquiries. I don't know why I have that many inquiries. I don't apply for a lot of stuff. I have to check into that. But let's see. Have a quick little tour. Go through Score Builder and check that out again. It's pretty much 120 days to better credit, free with the membership. So I started it on 1/4, and that's today is day 25. Starting score, as you see, when I first logged in, the first day I was at a 512, but I dropped to 490 or 491. I think it was I dropped to a 491. It should have that on here too. It's like it's a page they have on here. If I can find it, it shows you what you started at, and each day what the score is. Not this page. That's pretty much about the score. Let's review your current score. It's still bad. Went up a point, making a little progress. What's helping the score? Open, close, close. I have some open. As you can see, I have student loans as well. I don't know what that means. South National Bank is. This may have to be disputed, but as you can see, I do have student loans, which is Navient. It used to be something else, but they changed the name to Navient now. So I did try to go to school and get the good grades and get a high-paying job. I actually tell you something. I went to a career college and I actually got a degree to be a paralegal. Ask me how many times I used that degree. Not once. Did not use it, so it pretty much was a waste of my time. But the best thing about it is I did find my wife there, so that was a positive thing. Started getting into debt. What actions I can take. For some reason I don't know how to use it. So I click on it, nothing happens. Get a little correction. I pay on that, that never happens. Click on that never happens. Take action. It's just something I'll do later on. But today's just gonna be a quick video showing you that it's gonna be a quick little video. I'll show an update on my credit report. And pretty much like I went up 1 point today. I was trying to find the page that shows, it's the page that actually shows you like the first day I started and when my score went up and my score went down. This is the other page where you can pretty much put in whatever how much you want to pay, and it'll show you what your future credit score will be. You just slide it left and right, put in the amount you want to pay, and it'll pretty much take your information that they found on your credit score and put it over here and show you how you can pay these particular bills and increase your score. Now, these are just some of the bills. If you pay these bills, you don't pay the rest, and apparently your score is not going to go up. So you have to pay all of your bills, not just the ones they have on here. These are pretty much, these should be smaller bills. These are pretty much all the credit cards. So you just pay your credit cards, you don't pay your rent, your mortgage, your car note, and your other loans and stuff, your student loans, and your credit score more likely won't go up. So just keep that in mind as I show you this tool. And that's exactly what this system is. Tool that you can use. Tools that you can use that will help you to help you with your credit. Like I won't be able to find this little thing I was trying to find here. Still have F all the way across. I'm failing. I flunked the grades. I'm flunking in the school of good credit. Just maybe. Yeah, here's the page. Well, it actually goes back to December 28th, 5/12. Start off 5/12 and January 1st, 5/12, and it starts falling down. So I'm still getting caught up on some of the bills. On the 5th is 506, 7th 506, on the 8th is 491. As you can see, for a steady stream, it was 491, 491, then it jumped on the 25th, 492. Then today, 493. So it's gradually coming up. As long as I keep doing what I'm doing, keep paying the bills, keep getting caught up, and scores will gradually go up. So that's all I got for you guys today. Just wanted to give you an update on my financial economy. It's not really a lot to talk about today except for the credit part of it. As you can see, my score did go up as I just logged in and showed you that it increased by 1 point. Want to know how to use this tool, how to take advantage of this tool, then you can see the name is Smart Credit. And if you have any questions that you think I can answer, just comment down below in the box. Text me if you want. Leave a comment about the video. Subscribe if you're new. Like the video. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, good, bad, or indifferent, just put them down below. Thanks for watching this video. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.